Hi kids. How are you today? Today we will learn names of days. There are total 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, let's learn with spelling. S U N D A Y Sunday. M O N D A Y Monday. T U E S D A Y Tuesday. W E D N E S D A Y Wednesday. T H U R S D A Y Thursday. F R I D A Y Friday. S A T U R D A Y Saturday. Let's repeat one more time all the names. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So kids, today we learned all the names of days. Thank you for watching. See you again.